How to hide words on threads. So to start, we'll have to open our threads account, and then in here, we'll have to go to our profile. To do that, go on the bottom part of the screen and then tap on your profile picture. In here on our profile, we'll have to tap on the menu icon, go on the top right corner of the screen, and then under settings, you will see this content preferences. Tap on this one. After that, tap on this hidden words, and then in here, what we need to do is to toggle on this hide common offensive words and reply. And then after that, if you want to create a custom filter, tap on the new filter option. In here, we'll have to add a name to our filter. As for me, I'm gonna type here example. So in here, you will have to configure the settings. So first, hide post shared by. You can select anyone or profiles that you don't follow. As for me, I'm gonna select the second one. And then you can also choose how long you want to hide the words. So as for me, I'm gonna choose for 30 days. Once you're done with that, we'll have to tap on this add words option. And then in here, we'll have to type the words that we want to be hidden. So as for me, I'm gonna type hate, and then we'll have to type comma, and then some other words. Once I'm done, we'll have to tap on the check mark, and then we'll have to go back, and then in here we'll have to tap on the save option. So by doing that, those words will be hidden from my threads account for 30 days. So that's how easy we can hide words on threads. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.